That black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hello wonderful people, it's Kelster here from youtube.com/KelsterMakeup and Kelster.com. And if you're new, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm so happy to have you on my channel and I can't wait for you to see what I have for y'all today. Okay, so as you guys can see by the title, I kind of look a little bit different and that is because I have a new wig on. I've been really obsessed with like headband wigs recently. I bought like 6 of them. Don't judge me, y'all. But yeah, I bought like 6 of them because I really have missed wearing protective styles, and I've been looking for protective styles that can give me a cute look without damaging my hair, and I've really found that headband wigs have just done that for me. It gives me all the weave vibes that I used to have from back in the day. If you guys have been OG followers of mine, you know I used to wear the longest of weaves back in the day. So yeah, headband wigs like this, which all my hair is neatly tucked in and all I'm leaving out is the edges, is totally my deal. It's a really great protective style and I love these. So if you're interested, check out my Instagram because I do put a lot of links to our hairstyles that I'm wearing on there. So definitely follow me on Insta. But as amazing as his hair is, this is not what this video is about. It's actually about styling this amazing hair. So today I'm doing a collaboration with Duvolle Hair Tools, and they sent me their 25mm curling wand to try out and share with you guys. And so I was super excited, not only by using hair tools again, because again I haven't used flat irons or anything in my natural hair for a really long time, so it's been a while since I even used a curling iron. I'm just really excited to have one again because I kind of threw away all my old ones. They were kind of gross, so I'm really excited to have like a really cute professional hair tool again. And because I've been wearing lots of headband wigs, I can use them to curl my beautiful hair. And of course you want to use, again, high quality professional hair tools on your hair or your extensions, especially if you're buying super expensive extensions like I do, then you really want to make sure that you use professional grade hair tools to ensure that you're not damaging your hair, you know, burning it or singeing it or anything like that. This is a highly professional curling wand. So go ahead, you guys, and check out those links in the description box for this awesome curling wand. They also gave me a really great, really great, like super great coupon code to share with you guys. So it's down below. It's definitely for a lot off, so I would definitely check it out, guys, if you're interested in upgrading your professional hair tools like myself. So I wanted to keep it in the box so I can unbox it with you guys. As you see, it comes in this really nice sleek black box, and it's a slide box, so just pull it through. Here is my beautiful curling wand. I'll take this plastic. My favorite color is pink, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is so beautiful. Okay, it's like not even like regular pink, it's like hot pink, fluorescent, like it has a duo shift to it, like, and a hair tool. Okay, putting all the other hair tools to shame. I have the curling wand heating up. This is what it looks like, and I can feel the heat radiating off. And as you can see, it has this really cute blue light indicator, so you know that it's on. So let me go ahead and set that down really quickly. So as y'all can see, the hair that I'm wearing today has already a little bit of a wave to it. This is a body wave, but I figured because they did bleach it and dye it this ginger shade, I have noticed that the waves don't typically seem to stay naturally in the hair, like when I wet it. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and put some beautiful beachy curls in my hair today. I'm thinking they're gonna be beachy, maybe not. They could be more on like the more pristine, like tight curl side. I'm not really sure. I'm kind of winging it when it comes to styling it today because I'm not really sure what I want to do, but it's definitely gonna be cute, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and move into the voiced over tutorial portion for you guys and hit you with a little mood music as you're watching, so enjoy. And don't forget to hit thumbs up on this video. Okay, so to start off, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair using some alligator clips to make sure I don't have a ton of hair in the way as I'm curling. You know, lots of hair can be hazardous, girl. And another thing that I'm super excited about that's included with this curling wand is a thermal glove. This is to ensure that I don't burn myself, especially because I'm uber clumsy and it's been a long time since I've used any sort of hot hair tool near and around my face. It literally took almost no time for this curling wand to be hot and ready to style with. The curls came out super, super bouncy, and I didn't really have to spend a lot of time letting my hair cool to keep those curls holding. So I'm not sure if it's the thermal technology in this curling wand or whatever, but the curls were popping, okay? And I was super happy to have the glove because I'm a little clumsy. So it's just good to know that I'm not going to burn myself when using a curling wand, especially since it's been a while. So as you see, I just finished curling my hair and I have a few clips in it just to help hold those top curls for volume. And now I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair and talk to you a little bit about what my feelings are on this curling wand. So I think I'm just gonna comb out the curls a little bit so I can show you what they look like. These curls have been holding and I curled them a little over 20 minutes ago. So you still see really nice curls even though they haven't been combed out. And so I'm just gonna take them apart a little bit and kind of brushing this down. My fingers, running my fingers through it, breaking up those curls. So as you guys can see, I have some very beautiful curls with this curling wand. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. It looks so much better than that kind of like wavy, not wavy thing it was doing before. It looks so, so good. And I really feel like these curls are holding and I've been running and raking my fingers through them. So yeah, you're gonna definitely get some curls that are gonna hold. As you can see, we got some beautiful curls here. So yeah, again, I really love this color. I love how it worked on my hair. The link down below for 70% off. 70, guys, 70. Crazy is down below, and it's not just for this curling wand. They also have some really beautiful other hair tools. I believe they have another curling wand that is 35 millimeters, as well as a really beautiful hot pink flat iron, which I'm honestly thinking about buying myself because it's just so pretty, y'all. They're just so pretty, and I really love pink hair tools. As you can see, it matches my really cute brush here, and then I have a really cute pink comb. I love pink hair tools. I think hair tools should be more than just a good styling tool, but also aesthetically pleasing to have on your vanity or in your bathroom counter. This is a professional tool, no doubt. As you can see by the curls, they look amazing. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave that down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing a ton more videos, okay, about, again, natural hair, makeup, beauty, and a few wig videos now and again. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and check all my social media accounts down below. Okay, bye-bye.